Alright, hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Law Bench 191. We have shut down operations here for our open house today. We'll be back here Monday on the 26th of November 25th of 2012. Kind of showing you our engine facility area here. Here is the diesel facility that's been finished. The yard office building. And come a long way. As you can see how they put this cork in. They've got the all the stuff here. There's the ash pit area there, as you can see. Got it painted red there where the hot ashes would be. There's the car shop. We've got a temporary coaling tower there. I'm building actually a big coal tower for this area here. Excuse the shakiness of my camera. YouTube will fix that. Here's the bunker fuel area for fueling the locomotives that run on bunker fuel instead of coal. We have that big bunker fuel area there for oil burning locomotives. There's a work train there. We just completed that. There's the Walther's roundhouse, and there's the turntable, which is indexed. I'm not going to run it right now. We've been running it all day. This is a boiler room we've added on to the we'll be bringing coal cars in there for that boiler room. Here's the actual roundhouse. Got some steamers in there. My little 060 there ACL switcher. There's a Southern 210-2. Back side of the car shop. See all the rock plaster wall we've got in here, coming right along and along the sides here. Embankments. Of course, you've seen probably video of the diesel facility. All the yard area here. We're moving right along. We've also put in down here this plaster wall. We're working on, we'll be painting that. The bridge is in. That road will go across there. See the crossover. Of course, the steel mill's coming along. There's your slag pit. Kind of see we're getting there. Electric mill. I believe that's, I know that's not it, but that's coke or something area there. I don't know the mechanics of all the steel mill area there, but there is a lot of tracks to work in there. This is the rolling mill, that's right. We'll get that done. Track work's coming along pretty nice. Put this road in. Kind of see the road going up. And this will be in there like a track that was abandoned. Of course, you saw this yesterday. This is the Helgen crane we purchased, which operates for the container area. That crane is really, really neat when it operates. starting to put the railway up on the bridge there. Barge area, we still got to do all this. This will be water over here. Kind of see across here how it's looking here in our train room for HO. These buildings are just temporary. Of course, after the first year, we'll be working on the branch line over here. This will be all mountainous. There's our O-scale in the background. New banners. It's awful quiet in here now. We finished up. Of course, branch line, we've got our Christmas tree all up for Christmas, and but that's where the branch line will be, and we'll climb a mountainous area there. We'll have coal mines and brewery and several other things. Tunnels. Of course, everybody, y'all seen the bridge enough. We've learned a lot about this bridge. We've had to put expansion joints in it. Well, one day we came in and the rails had actually popped up, the expansion, so we put in expansion joints in it. It got out of gauge, so we had to fix that. We realized that that's something we were going to do because of temperature change in this building. But you can see across the layout here. We've come a long way. Got a ton of stuff to do, but real proud of everybody. We've really grown in membership. We're at the Myrtle Beach Mall in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, right next to Bass Pro Shop. If you want to come visit us, there's the Clemson. It's got a black draped over it, of course, the victory by the Gamecocks as our caboose, and then somebody did a Clemson caboose, however we draped black over the Clemson caboose for their loss to the Gamecocks. Steel mill is going to be really nice when we get it done. Anyway, that's my update for today, November the 26th of 2012. If you're in the Myrtle Beach area, right at the come to the Myrtle Beach Mall, right next to Bass Pro Shop on the inside. Our open house is going to be every Saturday up through then, right before Christmas, about 10 a.m. to 5. We're also open on Monday nights from about 5 till about 8 or 9, depending on the traffic. We're also open on Wednesdays too. The retired guys are up here a lot on Wednesday from about noon till about 5. So we don't ever turn anybody away who wants to see the layout. Alright, hope you enjoyed this report.